All yes, all of you please sit in a prayerful posture for the prayer before the class. Heavenly Father, we come to you today asking for your guidance, wisdom, and support as we begin this class. You can open your eyes slowly. So today we are going to start with the grammar adjectives. All must keep your notebooks with you and the books and important points and the sentences. You can just examples, you can just jot it down and listen carefully. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun. Adjectives are also known as the describing words, which tells us something or which describes something about the noun. There are different kinds of adjectives. They are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjectives, distributive adjectives, interrogative adjectives, and possessive adjectives. Quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, distributive, interrogative, and possessive adjectives. Shreya, are you listening? Children, when you sit here, please concentrate on your studies, on your chapter, on your lesson, what the teacher is teaching. Please don't look around here and there. So, all these kinds, I'll just connect you with the Tata Classic for the different kinds of adjectives. You listen carefully and jot down the examples. Can you hear, students? Can you see and hear? Please show me the thumbs up. Can you all hear and see? Okay, thank you. So they have given examples. So 4, red, and this. These are the adjectives. Good. So for red and this, these are the different kinds of adjectives. So this is qualitative adjective. It was a sunny day. So sunny is adjective, it's showing the quality. So this is qualitative adjective. So the qualitative adjective answers the question what. So here is a sentence, Pasha rode the small pony. So small here is qualitative adjective. In the next sentence, Jia bought a cold milkshake. So cold is here qualitative adjective because it is telling us what kind of milkshake. And the magician had a black coat. So black is here qualitative adjective. Next we have the quantitative adjective. So a man was juggling 5 balls. Juggling means you can see in the picture at the same time he is throwing the balls. So 5 here is showing the number here. Quantity. How many balls? 5 balls. So this is quantitative adjective. So the quantitative adjectives answers the question how, isn't it? Jia has 2 balls. So when we ask how many balls? 2 balls. So that is 2 is here quantitative adjective. The magician performed many tricks. So many tricks. Many is here quantitative adjective telling that how many tricks. Pasha played the game several times. So how many times? Several times. Several is the quantitative adjective. So this is the demonstrative adjective. So demonstrative adjectives here. Pasha likes these sweets. So sweets here is plural. So these is used here. So these is demonstrative adjective. Those boys are Pasha's friends. So here those boys is plural. So those is here demonstrative adjective. So this and that is used with the singular nouns. And these and those is used with the plural nouns. So these are the examples here of different kinds. That is qualitative, quantitative, and demonstrative. Jia is a clever girl. So clever is here. Qualitative adjective, because this is showing us the quality of a girl. That Jia is a clever girl. This is showing the quality of Jia. So this is qualitative adjective. So clever is here qualitative adjective. Quantitative adjective. So in quantitative adjectives, it answers the questions to how many. So Pasha ate 2 apples. So when we say how many apples she ate, 2 apples. So 2 is here quantitative adjective because this is showing us the number, that how many apples were there. So demonstrative adjectives, That is, that man was shouting. So for this we ask which. So which man? That man. So that is your demonstrative adjective. Once again, you can just hear the story, and in your notebooks, you can just write down the different kinds of adjectives. Have you jotted down? Yes, I'll just unmute you. Some of you, you please tell, have you written the words? Paromita, I have unmuted you. Have you written adjectives? Please raise your hand, those who have written the adjectives in the story. Yes, Vedika? Vedika, can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Have you written?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, say which words?
Ma'am, wonderful.
Okay. Wonderful. Good. Okay. Anyone else? You can just raise your hands. Shreya, have you written more? The other words have you written? Okay. highlighted adjective. Quantitative. So there were many people at the carnival. So many is what here? Qualitative, quantitative, or demonstrative? Quantitative. Okay, so many is quantitative adjective. Is the highlighted adjective? Quantitative. Correct. So any, you have to tell. Just, okay, who's this one? Just, you can just raise your hand. Any is which kind of adjective? Yes, Madiha? Can you hear Madiha?
Quantitative.
Quantitative, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Quantitative,
Adjective.
adjective, yes.
Quantitative.
Quantitative. Adjective. So if you see my rabbit, please bring it to that 10. So that is which adjective here? You have to tell. Okay, yes, Harneet. Harneet,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, please tell.
Ma'am, the answer is demonstrative adjective.
Very good. This is demonstrative adjective. Okay.
Adjective.
The next one is? So Pasha walked into a colorful tent. So colorful, you have to tell here. What kind of adjective it is? Yes, Navneet. Can you hear? Navneet. Navneet. Please tell. I have unmuted you. You also unmute. Unmute yourself. Navneet. Shreya. Shreya, can you hear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please tell colorful.
Quality.
Yes, good. This is showing the quality of tent. What kind of tent? It is a colorful tent. Okay, good. Next we have adjective. Quantitative. So next is this rabbit helps me with my tricks. So this word you have to tell. What is this here? Yes, thumbs up you can show. Yes, Shipriya. Shipriya,
Yes, ma'am.
unmute yourself, beta. Okay. So you have to tell. What is this here?
Ma'am, demonstrative.
Yes, this is demonstrative
Adjective.
adjective. And this is used why? Because rabbit is singular. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
With the plural, we use these and those. Next, we have highlighted. Quantitative. So with the next sentences, he sprinkled sparkling powder in the hat. So sparkling, you have to tell. What kind of adjective this is?
Ma'am, qualitative.
Yes, Manat?
Ma'am, quality.
Quality, yes. Qualitative. It is showing the quality of the powder. What kind of powder it is? Okay. Good. Next we
Thank you,
have
ma'am.
Highlighted adjective. Motivated. Correct.
the next sentence is the magician pulled 2 rabbits out of his coat. So you have to tell what is 2. Yes, Sirat? Sirat Naranya, can you hear? Dia? Dia Chaudhary? Dia, can you hear? Anandika? Anandika? Please unmute yourself, children.
Mama, I have unmuted.
हाँ तो say ना बेटा. 2, you have to tell. What is 2 here? Which adjective? Qualitative, quantitative or demonstrative? 2 is showing the
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, yes, please.
Ma'am, quantitative adjective.
This is quantitative. Why? Because this is telling us the quantity, the number. That is 2. Okay, good. Next we have
Is the highlighted adjective. Motivated.
So that is what a wonderful trick. So wonderful you have to tell here what kind of adjective it is. Wonderful. Yes, raise your hands. Yes, Harsimrit. Harsimrit Kaur.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please tell what is wonderful here.
Ma'am, it is qualitative adjective.
Yes, very good. This is qualitative. Why qualitative?
Ma'am, because it is telling us about the quality of the trick.
Very good. Because this is telling us the quality of the trick. So this is wonderful is qualitative adjective. Okay, good.
Now take a short quiz to test all that you have so far.
In the adjectives, we have the comparisons also. Okay. So in the next class, we'll continue with the comparisons. Okay. For adjectives, that is comparison of adjectives. In the previous classes, we have done, isn't it? Positive, comparative, and superlative. So in the next class, we will continue with that. Some of the examples I just ask you. Now you will just revise. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
The other 3 are also here. Demonstrative we have done. Next we have distributive. Distributive. Distributive adjectives show that the persons or things from a group are taken one at a time. For example, each, every, either, neither. All these are distributive adjectives. Next we have interrogative adjectives. Interrogative adjectives. The words what, which, and whose are called as interrogative adjectives. For distributive, example you can just write, I can give a candy to each boy. For distributive adjective, you can just write down, example, I can give a candy to each boy. So you can Underline each here. Each is distributive adjective. For interrogative, you can write down, which book do you want? Which book do you want? So which is here? Interrogative adjective. Next we have possessive adjectives. Possessive. Possessive means showing the possession, the ownership. Adjectives which help to show ownership or possession are called as possessive adjectives. For example, that is your house. So whose house? Your house, showing the possession. So all these are the different kinds of adjectives. Now, just I'll ask one example. You will tell me that what kind of adjective it is. Okay? Mumbai is a large city. Mumbai is a large city. So you can just tell what is adjective here in this sentence and also its kind. Yes, Harneet? Mumbai is a large city.
Ma'am, here adjective is large
Large.
and it
Okay.
is quality. Ma'am,
Yes,
adjective of
qualitative.
quality.
Yes, qualitative
Ma'am,
adjective. Showing the,
ma'am, ma'am, showing the quality of that city of Mumbai.
yes, showing the quality of it. Okay. Shreya, can you hear? He is an honest person. He is an honest person. You have to tell. What is adjective here?
Honest.
Honest, yes. So what kind of adjective?
Quality.
Quality, yes. Qualitative. Good. Next is, there is little tea in the kettle. Yashvi.
Yes,
Yashvi, can
ma'am.
you hear? Okay.
Ma'am, the adjective here is little and it is the adjective of quantity.
Yes, this is the quantity. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. Next we have, he drank some milk. He drank some milk. Yes. Vedika. Vedika?
Yes,
Vedika.
ma'am.
Okay. He drank some milk. You have to tell.
Ma'am,
What
it
is
is adjective of quantity.
word is?
Ma'am, word is some and it is
Yes.
adjective of quantity.
Quantity. Okay, good. Okay. Next we have, I have 10 rupees for you. I have 10 rupees. 10. 10 rupees for you. Yes, you can raise your hands. Niharika? Niharika,
Yes, ma'am.
can you hear?
Ma'am, here, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, here adjective is 10
Yes.
and it is adjective of number.
Very good. This is adjective of number because this is showing us the number. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Next we have, This girl is very pretty. Janvi Singh, can you hear? Unmute
Yes, ma'am.
yourself. Okay. This girl is very pretty. This is here what? Which adjective?
Adjective.
Yes. The word this.
And this is demonstrative. This is demonstrative adjective.
Yes, very good. This is demonstrative adjective. Okay. Next we have,
Adjective.
those girls will go for the picnic.